In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Google's Imagen free AI, and you can essentially enter a prompt, you can refine the prompt, and you can try and get the perfect image from your text to image prompt. So I'm going to show you how you can do this and how it all works. So Google Imagen free is inside of Gemini, and you can use it for free. You just have to go ahead and open up Gemini and create an account. So go to Google and type in Gemini. And then you can go to Google's AI model, which is Gemini. Now from here, what you can do, you can essentially type in the text box and get it to generate an image. So let's generate a prompt together. So here's the prompt that I'm going with. I've put here, generate me an image, a realistic deception of a breathtaking sunset over the ocean. I didn't actually write this myself. I just kind of got ChatGPT to think of a prompt for me, but we're really going to put this AI image model to the test here. So let's click enter and see what it can do. So it's going to generate with Imagen free. And as far as I'm aware, you can generate pretty much unlimited photos right now. So let's see what it comes up with. So this is the image that it comes up with, super realistic with the sun setting with a yacht in the background. So I actually think this is pretty good. Now what I'm going to say to it is, I don't like the yacht. Can you change it? And we'll spell it a bit wrong, see if it can really understand what we're actually saying here and if it can change the yacht. So it says, sure. So let's see what results it pulls here. Go on then. Okay, so now we have another image with a different yacht. It's slightly different. I wouldn't really say it's that different. It's just kind of moved places a little bit. But we could tweak this more and change it as we would like. So I asked it to add a rubber dinghy instead, and this is what it's generated, which I think it's done a pretty good job of matching that description. So that's how you can use the Imagen AI image generator. Thank you for watching.